Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty on a budget. In today's video, I'm actually going to be trying something new. This is my first time doing it, and I really like to try these different techniques, different masks, different all this stuff, so that I'm able to share with people who ask me what my honest review is. And I have yet to do like an aloe vera hair mask, and I want to see. So there are different type of masks that you can do with aloe vera. So for if your hair is dry and flaky, you can do aloe vera, apple cider vinegar, and honey, and put that on your scalp. The one I'm going to be doing is aloe vera, black seed oil, and honey. So I'm looking for one that's more just like moisturizing to my hair and all the other added benefits that aloe vera has. Well, this is all. I'm going to show you how to make the mask, apply the mask, and what my hair looks like afterwards. So let's just get right into it. So here we have the aloe vera plant. I decided to buy it fresh because I have the gel, but I have just been wanting to buy a fresh one. So what we're gonna do is that we need to go ahead and break this up. I believe I got this from King Soopers, but we're just gonna start by cutting off the end. So I would do this on a cutting board. You can already see the gel in there, so beautiful. Once we chop it all up, I'm going to be putting it in the chopper, the mixer, so that we can blend it all together with a few more ingredients. So I'm just going to continue to cut this so that we can get to the gel on the inside. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Love it. So set that aside and then just continue to chop it up into chunks. And then another chunk. I think I'm gonna do 4 chunks and leave the end of the tail for something else. So this I'm just gonna set aside. But now we have these 4 chunks, and what I want to do is take off the sides like this, trying to get as little bit of the aloe as possible on there, and then continue to do that to the other sides, other pieces. Now that we got the sides off, we have to go one more step and cut off the back pieces or the side pieces. So I'm trying to get as little of the gel as possible. So we have the aloe, as you can see, beautiful. And then we're going to put it in this little chopper. So you can cut off both sides, or you could just scoop it off. And then I'm just going to speed up the rest. Okay, so now I'm all done. Here is all of the aloe that I got from just those 4 sections. I do see that there's some brown on here, but when I strain this, then it'll get only what we need from it. So the other ingredients I'm going to be using is this As I Am virgin black seed oil. You can use any oil, but here are the benefits of black seed oil. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil. And then I got some honey, and here are the benefits of honey. So you don't need a lot of these products. You need about 2 tablespoons, and I'm just going to eyeball it. Go around twice. 1, 2. And then as far as the honey, I'm going to do just a few glops. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more of the black seed oil. Alright, so here we have it. Now we're going to go ahead and blend this up. So you just basically want to blend until it's all mixed up. And then, so I don't have like a container I want to put it in, so I'm just going to be putting it in this Tupperware and using it. But you want to make sure you strain it. So I'm just going to be using this hairnet. But if you have a small strainer that you can use to get most of the gel out, then you can use that as well. But this was the smallest strainer I have. Like, I have a bigger one that I use for noodles and stuff, but yeah. So do the same thing, put this over this, and then begin to pour the mixture in. And what's going to happen is that the jelly, the stuff that you actually want, is going to go through, and then you don't want, it's going to stay in the net. So this is all the stuff that didn't make the cut, and it's just basically little chunks that you can just sit to the side. But now you have your, this is messy, but now you have your hair mask. So this is what my hair looks like with no product. I decided to use that conditioner I showed you before applying the cleanser. That way my hair was soft and manageable before shampooing. But I did that in the shower. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the mask and apply that to my hair in sections. And if you did get some chunks through, like me, you can either try to break it up and apply it on the hair, or just put it to the side. Get some more. This would be easier in like a container of some sort that I did not have. Put a little bit of the black seed oil on top of this. And then twist it up, and we're gonna let the mask sit for anywhere from an hour to 30 minutes. depending on what you got going on. I would say at least 30 minutes. And continue to do the same thing to the other sections. I just find when I do them in sections like this, the product really penetrates the hair more. Both sides are done. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it in a pony on top of my head. Just like a loose one. I do this because I want the ends to be tucked away. Then we're gonna take our cap. I like to double up to make sure I get the back and the front. Like that. And then y'all know I do my turbo towel for extra heat till I can get like an actual heating cap. But this gets the job done every time because it's using just like my natural heat, my body heat. And we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna come back and show you 30 minutes to an hour. I'll see what I start doing, but we're gonna let this sit and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like before I rinse my hair out, show you what it looks like once I rinse the product out, and give you my honest review. Feels soft. I'm gonna rinse it out and then come back and show you and tell you what my hair feels like. Here's what it looks like. It's definitely defined. It feels really moisturized. And my curls are looking good. I can't wait to style it. So this is what it looks like after I rinse it out. I am gonna go ahead and put it in a quick conditioner and then style. So before I style, I'll come back and show you. So this is what my hair is looking like after I rinsed out the aloe vera mask and put some conditioner, and my hair feels so soft. My curls are so defined, and I just can't wait to see how my hair looks after styling it, applying product. And I know that the hair masks are so vital in every curly hair routine. So I'll come back and show you the end result after I style, but I'm just in love. Like, I just love, I mean, it could have been the combination of products that I use on top of the mask, but I just love the way that the mask made my hair feel. It looks so full. In this video, we learned all about aloe vera, the benefits, and a hair mask that's perfect for you to do at home. Girl, making the aloe vera at home. You can buy aloe vera gel and just skip the whole process of cutting up the plant, but I wanted to try it that way because I bought that plant and wanted to use it. If you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like me trying different masks. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next upload.